Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 752 for July 11th, 2023. Yesterday, I tried my favorite starter word, and it did not work very well. So today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try cutie. The reason I use cutie is because it has 3 vowels, a T and a C. And I have the T and I have the E, so that is pretty good. So I'm going to assume that the T goes here and the E goes here, and let's see what I can come up with here. I'm going to assume there is a vowel in the center, so let me go with A, T, E. First word that comes to mind is this, S-L-A-T-E, slate. This could be right, who knows, but it will tell me if the T and the E are in the correct position and if there is an A as the other vowel. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, the A is the other vowel, but the E is not in the correct place, and neither is the A, but the T is. The S and the L do not work. So let me rethink this. I'm going to start with an X. I'm going to put the A here. I'm going to put the E here. The T goes here. Then we have an X here. And this looks really weird, so I'm going to scratch that and start again. So I'm thinking maybe the A is the first letter. Then I would have an X here, an E, a T, and an X. This doesn't make sense either, and I really don't think the A goes at the end of the word. So let me scratch that. Well, maybe the A is at the end of the word, so let's do something like this, T-A. So there's one word I know that would fit, and that is this one, delta. D-E-L, the T is in the correct place. The E can only go probably there. There's a possibility this could be it. Let's check it out. Nope, not it. Well, now I know that the A is not the last letter, it's not the middle letter, it's not the fourth letter, and the E is not the second, the fourth, or the fifth. So maybe there is a vowel combination that would be E-A-X-T-X. So I have not used an R, I have not, could it be earth? E-A-R-T-H, E-A-R-T-H. So I got it in 4. It's kind of strange that the E and A, the 2 vowels, are at the beginning of the word. I do not see that very often, but I got it in 4, and I hope you got it in 4 or less. Maybe you did better than I did. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.